गाइस सबकी अलग अलग हॉबीज़ रहती हैं। किसी को डांस करना पसंद है, किसी को जिम जाना, किसी को योगा करना और किसी को पेंटिंग करना। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू और आई वुड लाइक टू सजेस्ट वन ऑफ द बेस्ट हॉबी विच विल कीप योर माइंड स्ट्रेस फ्री एंड विच विल इम्प्रूव योर हेल्थ ऑल्सो। सो वो एक हॉबी है विच इज़ कॉल्ड गार्डनिंग। आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर सम ऑफ द नॉलेज व्हाट आई हैव। मेनली टू टाइप्स रहते हैं, इंडोर गार्डनिंग एंड आउटडोर गार्डनिंग। Assalamu alaikum, namaste, vanakkam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you all are doing great. So today our plan will be going to the one of the biggest market of Abu Dhabi, that is the Mina market. What are the things we will be going to explore there, that I will tell you in this video. So stay tuned till the end. See you there. Guys, I am in Mina market, which is one of the biggest market in Abu Dhabi, and I am going to the Irani souk as well as the plant souk. So I will show you some of the basic plants that you can purchase and grow inside your house.
The plant souk is located near Zaid Port. This souk is a curious oasis with more than 25 open-air stalls overflowing with greenery consisting of varieties of plants like citrus trees, cacti, flowers and many more. This is the place to buy indoor and outdoor plants, pots and soil for your plants. In the ocean of greenery, I have chosen very few indoor plants which not only brightens your place, it will also be beneficial to your health. The first name in our plant list is Ficus elastica, is commonly known as rubber plant, is one of the easy care house plants. Rubber plants also improve indoor air quality. It has broad shiny oval leaves and leaf size is largest on young plants and becomes smaller as the plant grow old. Their large leaves can absorb airborne chemicals and break them down, rendering them harmless. They absorb exhaled carbon dioxide and convert it to be breathable oxygen. Rubber plants also eliminate bacteria and mold spores in the air. The second name in our plant list is Dracena trifasciata, is commonly called snake plant because of the shape and sharp margins of its leaves. It's a popular house plant because it is tolerant of low light levels and irregular watering. The NASA Clean Air study says the snake plant has potential to filter indoor air, removing 4 of the 5 main toxic involved in the effects of sick building syndrome. However, its rate of filtration is too slow for practical indoor use. The third plant in our list is Zamioculcas, is commonly called as ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is an easy to grow and care for indoor plant that displays small glossy leaves on stems which can grow up to 3 feet long indoors. It can survive extremely well under interior low light levels for 4 months without water. ZZ plant are great air purifiers and capable of removing significant amount of xylene, toluene, benzene and ethyl benzene from the air. The fourth name in our plant list is Epipremnum aureum, also known as money plant, is one of the best and most commonly used indoor plant. As per Vastu experts, plants in our day-to-day lives activate positive energy. They recommended planting money plant inside the house as they bring good luck and prosperity. Money plant as one of the best that purify the air polluted by modern furnishings made of synthetic materials and cleaning chemicals.
The last and the most beautiful plants in our list are succulents. Succulents are a trendy decorative addition to any home. Succulents are perfect plants for beginners, coming in a variety of shapes, sizes, and textures. This diverse group of plants offer endless color variations as well as low maintaining options for your indoor space. In this video, I have mentioned two succulents which are Echeveria and zebra plant. The Echeveria can be placed under full sunlight and well-drained soil, whereas zebra plant requires a moderate amount of sunlight and water.
Look what I have got here. उसके दान बहुत बड़े बड़े हैं. दिखाता हूँ आपको.
दान दिखाओ.
बाप रे.
ये देखो अब इसका फ्रेंड आ गया.
After exploring and sharing the useful information about plant souk, I switched over to Iranian souk, which is right next to the plant souk. This eclectic souk is filled with goods from Iran and countries in the region. Goods are carried on traditional wood doors across the Persian Sea by small merchants. Goods here range from wood for campfires to lawn chairs to large pots for cooking and many more. It is another great experience to walk in the narrow corridors searching for hidden gems and deals. Often a trip to the Iranian souk results in purchasing items you didn't know you needed.
So guys, after plant souk I am going to fish market. This is the biggest fish market in Abu Dhabi. So once we explore, I will let you know special things about the fish market here.
Fish market is located in the Mina Zayed port area of Al Mina. At the market, you will find countless stalls selling all kinds of sea creatures. If you are looking for a regional fish, you will find it at the Mina Fish Market. Once you have purchased your fish or seafood, you can take it to any of the eager fish cleaners at the right corner for scaling, cutting and filleting. It's also possible to have your fish cooked right in the market and is a great meal alternative to an expensive restaurant. Just locate one of the small stands at the fish market entrance and they can prepare your fish however you would like: grilled, fried, seared, etc. After exploring fish market, I moved to the carpet souk, which is located at Almina Road. This souk is a fascinating maze of more than 100 shops stocked with Afghani and Iranian handmade crafts in traditional designs, machine-made carpets and rugs from Turkey and Belgium, prayer rugs and Arabic design cushions. The many options might appear confusing, but shopkeepers are happy to guide you. Though handmade carpets might not appear as perfect in design and symmetry as those that are machine made, their craftsmanship increases their value and cost. Iranian carpets are the most prized of the lot. So if you want to buy any of these products, then please contact the number shown in the display.
अभी कारपेट सूक से मैं जा रहा हूँ वेजिटेबल सूक, फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल मार्केट इट इज़, which is just opposite to the police station of Abu Dhabi near Sheikh Zayed Port. So this is the police station just opposite to the vegetable market.
There are the number of stalls selling fruits and vegetables wholesale, as well as a few stalls selling produce to consumers. Here you will find the freshest fruits and vegetables at the lowest price in town. Making your way towards the dates and dried fruit section should be a must when visiting the port. Here you will find trays of the finest Middle Eastern dates from around the region. At the dates and dried fruit section, sample dates varieties from across the Middle East like Medjool, Fard, Khalas and Barhi. These vary in size, quality, color, sweetness and price and are available plain, chocolate coated or stuffed with nuts. Both Medjool and Khalas are considered high quality and make for excellent gifts.
Guys, if you come to Mina Market, which is in Abu Dhabi, don't forget to come this place. This place is really amazing. The Corniche, and you can enjoy the sunset view here. Guys, Aronia Creation has released one of my favorite video song. I like the video song, and every now and then I used to listen to the music. And my friend Shivraj Shetty, he has done amazing work. Video is all about technology, like it's all about nature and what will happen if we misuse the technology and how it will impact the nature. So please guys, the video is amazing, the music is amazing, videography, everything is amazing. I'll put their video link in the description below. Please go and check it out. And I hope you guys like this video. If you did, then please hit the like button, share this video with everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So most of you, almost 90% of you watch my video, but you don't subscribe to my channel. So please guys, please subscribe and support me. सनसेट हो गया, टाइम लैप्स खत्म हो गया। चलो 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 चलो, बाय।